All right, I'm recording her. I think it's light enough. You get the gist of it. Oh, from this it looked like she did great. Can you be too chubby to weave?
Girl. But I guess I shouldn't say anything.
Yeah, I guess not. I just hear her pop out when you said something.
Sit. Wait.
She got it. Your yelling voice is in my background. And everybody's gonna know he's bad. Why is it so dark right here? I think it'd be bright in front of me.
This is rough. Shouldn't be on video.
It's just us. Oop! You shouldn't have told her I was taping. Now she's moving. Ooh.
Wrong side to help here.
Well, that was my problem. He kept going to the wrong side.
Yeah, that's hard to get. Not keeping bars down. All right. The end.